Hello everyone, I am Pandey, a first-year computer engineering student studying at Kantipur Engineering College. From the first year itself, KC is providing me a great learning environment with advanced classroom, well-experienced, inspiring and supportive teachers, and advanced laboratories and an extensive libraries, providing us all the resources we need to excel in our studies. In our advanced laboratories, we get hand-in experience with latest technologies. These labs are where theory meets practice, allowing us to apply what we learn in real-world scenarios. We are constantly encouraged to step out of our comfort zone with various group projects, group presentation, and various extracurricular activities. This not only enhances our skill but also prepare us for our future challenges. I'm grateful to be a part of KC, which provides such a supportive environment. I believe it's a place where we can grow academically, professionally, and personally. Thank you.